Hello, my fabulous fifth graders. Today's lesson is on ordered pairs. Our I can statement is I can generate ordered pairs from a pattern and graph them on a coordinate grid. Today we're going to learn what we learned about patterns and apply it to what we learned yesterday about coordinate grids. Let's see what we can figure out. Example 1 says to name the ordered pair for the location of Amy's house. An ordered pair is a pair of numbers that's used to name a point on a coordinate grid. Before we can do that, we need to understand some things about a coordinate grid. One thing you need to know is that down here, the horizontal line is called the x-axis. And here, the vertical line is called the y-axis. And so we have x and y coordinates. The first number in an ordered pair always tells you about the x coordinate. It corresponds to a number on the x-axis. And the second number is the y coordinate and corresponds to a number on the y-axis. So let's apply this to finding Amy's house. The x-coordinate comes first, so let's find our way across the x-axis first. The first number, our x-coordinate, is 3. So we travel 1, 2, 3 units along the x-coordinate, the x-axis. The second number is the y-coordinate, and it corresponds to a number on the y-axis. The second number is 5, so we will travel 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. And where the 3 and the 5 cross is where we will find Amy's house. Amy's house is at point 3, 5. Here's another example. Name the point for the ordered pair 2, 3. Well, we're going to start at the origin. This is the origin. It's where the x-axis and the y-axis are at 0. The point for the origin is 0, 0. I know that the first number tells me about the x coordinate is 2. So I travel 1, 2 units along the x-axis. The second number tells me about the y-coordinate. The second number is 3. So I need to travel 1, 2, 3 units up along the y-axis. So point D is what you find at ordered pair 2, 3. Let's think more about what an ordered pair represents. Let's locate, draw, and label each ordered pair. I'm going to start here with A. The ordered pair is 6, 7. I know that my first number is my x-coordinate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 along the x-axis. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 along the y-axis. And here is point A. Now let's do point G. G tells me I have 1 unit on the x-axis and 4 units on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is where you will find port G. Now let's move on to the next point, J. J has an ordered pair with a 0 in it. That means I will not move at all along the x-axis. I will just start at the origin and move up 1 on the y-axis. So J is right here. Now let's take a look at M. M tells me to move 5 units on the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 units on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3. So point M will be located here. Moving on to Q. Q tells me that my first number on the x-axis is a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a 0 on the y-axis, so I'm not going to move up at all. And finally, R. My x-coordinate is 2, 1, 2. The y-coordinate is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Point R is right here. Yay, I got it right. Let's work a couple more examples together. Number 1 says, locate and name the ordered pair for point A. Well, I can see that A is right here. The x-coordinate of the ordered pair is, well, along the x-axis we need to move 1, 2 spaces. The y-coordinate is 1. So the ordered pair for point A is 2, 1. Now they ask us to locate and name the point at 4, 3. The x-coordinate is the first one. It tells me to move 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. The y-coordinate comes second, telling me to move 3 units up. So point B is what we find at ordered pair 4, 3. Use the map of the playground at the right for exercises 15 through 17. What is located at 7, 3? Well, the first number is my x-coordinate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the second number is my y-coordinate. 1, 2, 3. At 7, 3, I find the swings. Write the ordered pair for the sandbox. The sandbox is right here. How do we get to the sandbox? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1. The ordered pair is 7, 1. Number 17 says, suppose the x-coordinate of the water fountain was moved 1 unit to the right. What would be the new ordered pair of the water fountain? Well, I see the water fountain right here. It is 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 unit on the y-axis. Its current location is 1, 1. But what if it was moved to the right 1 unit? Right, is this direction. So that would mean I would move 1, 2 spaces on the x-axis before I moved 1 on the y-axis. Its new location would be right here, and that would be 2, 1. So that's our lesson today about ordered pairs. Today, we learned how to generate ordered pairs from a pattern and graph them onto a coordinate grid. Here is a question that I would like you to do for your summarizing part of your whisk. Jimmy says that the horse barn is located at 3, 1 on the map. Is his ordered pair correct? Explain. I expect complete sentences and a justification of whether Jimmy is correct or incorrect. And here is some practice questions working on naming and finding ordered pairs. Yes, you need to do all 6. They shouldn't be too hard, but you need the practice. Go ahead and press pause if you need another minute to look at the screen. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.